You know, I actually realized probably should be recording this because I like to talk and sitting in silence is quite boring after a while. So I've come across a bit of an anomaly, if you could say. There's 3 snipers in this game, and they're all like examples. Like, these snipers are all different and can be unlocked different ways, and they're all titled different, and so I had a very deep philosophical rant about these to myself in the lonely room in my bedroom because I'm depressed. Anyways, moving on to the next gun. There's 15 of them, by the way, which is kind of crazy because there's also 15 pistols. They didn't think there was 15 pistols, but there's 15 pistols, there's 15 guns, and for a lot of guns in this one. Doing 30 guns, not even halfway through, 10 pages of guns. Let's see. These are my top contenders for next guns because obviously these ones are just all things considered. Let's should I be next one? I'll bring this back to the roster. Well, I'm pretty sure this is how I test how big they are. I just put them side by side. Pretty sure this will be the next. What is going on? Let's just put this. What even is this? Is this the E14 or is this E14? Let's find out together. Where is it? Oh, we actually missed one. Mr. Grayson's hunting sporting carbine. Okay, whatever. Is the M14? It is the M14. I knew that. It's just at the M12. It's only cable. Oh, that's the carbine. How does it still have? Is this one? Whatever. Let's just reload this one before we put it on this one. Mr. Grayson's hunting rifle is actually quite small. I have to change some modification. That's better. I'm gonna say it's still bigger. Oh, definitely smaller. Mr. Grayson's hunting rifle. Okay. Here we go. And the M14 gets moved down the line. So there's actually 16 rifles. So I was actually freaking wrong. I hate myself. Yeah, there's definitely the next gun on the list, on the tier list. So let's just get this crate and move it over here. Go. First YouTube video. If I even chose this to should I become a YouTuber? I'd be such a good YouTuber, wouldn't I? I'm the best YouTuber. Matthew Crest, 14 million subs. Anyway. Which one is bigger? Comparing stocks, this one is bigger, but general build. What are you thinking here? I want to say this one is bigger. I think this one is bigger. I think this one is smaller. Ouroboros. What was that time? This one is definitely next, and then the Ouroboros. Such a weird name, Ouroboros. Okay. Oh, it's misaligned. Oh, I hate myself for that. How did that happen? It's this? Do I need to fix this? It was this. Okay. It was definitely that. You might be wondering, hey, why are you doing this by hand in person? Well, that's because why not? Should probably record if my window closed. It's probably better. But that is not what I'm doing. That is not what I'm doing, so I'll change now. Let's see. Actually, you know what? I am gonna close my room door. Ha 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 ha. I don't look at my house. Why are you trying to do that? That wasn't very nice of you. Anyway, don't fall off. You know, an English teacher said, it's better to shitpost than to not shitpost. And I'm just doing that now. So, yeah, I'm just saying it's what I know. It's basically the strat, the YouTuber strat. Gold star, 10 stars, 10 out of 10 YouTuber. Okay. Next crate. And what I mean by shitpost, he said like, it's better to talk than not to talk. So, talk. Yep. Oh god. What is this? Okay, here we go. Put this right here. Put this right here. Do we have 1, 2, 3, 4 guns? What? Okay, well, I really have to change up the order here, the crates, the final fantastic 4 here. Here we are. I'm just gonna finish putting down these crates. I wonder how many likes this video got. So many likes, so great. Can't wait to get all the likes on this video. Looking for another ammo crate. Where is it? Circle, I knew that. Don't tell me I didn't know that. I knew that. Okay. As well. There. Okay, what are we calling? I think this one is bigger. Personally, from personal experience of playing this game for more than an hour, I'd say this one is a little bit bigger. Okay. Just stay for me, will you? Okay. And you stand for me. Okay, that's how. Hope I don't get taken down for swearing. That would not be nice on the first video. God, this gun is huge. This doesn't even fit on the thing. Well, yes, it does, actually. Well, aren't I an idiot then? There's open rifles for you. Here's the smallest compared to the biggest. The back size comparison, huh? Let's go test them out. Let's go test them out. Okay, this one isn't reloadable, so we'll just test the power. And 4 right here. Okay, we'll put this gun right there. It's a pretty good gun. Slow fire. Hard to aim. This one pretty easy. Not a lot of power. Pretty easy to aim. LSD. Anyway. I'm working at a construction site. It's 12 a.m. and I'm on a construction site now. Okay. I actually missed one of my shots there, so that's... Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, yep, these are guns, and guns, they shoot. You know that about guns? You know that? Guns, they shoot. Do you know that? Did you know that? But you didn't know that. But I just taught you something new today, huh? Am I the one who taught you about guns today? Is this your first gun? You should do this. Moving on. Those are the rifles for you. Get some more crates. There's actually some crates over here. Let's just push them over. Oh, actually, let me save first, so in case a nuclear bomb hits this, everything is ready for the next generation of nuclear fallen survivors to see. Get all this dirt out of the way. Well, it's so messy over here. Go out of here. Oh! Man! Let's spawn in. What should we do next? I need to do a community post. Okay, let's see. We're gonna do some machine guns or machine guns. We're gonna do machine guns. We're gonna do machine guns because there's not that many machine guns. Machine guns are pretty cool. So we have that gun, we have this gun, we have that gun, we have this gun. When I say machine gun, I just mean any gun that shoots either burst fire. Should I do burst fire different from machine guns? I guess I should. There would only be like 2 guns in that section. We'll do that. Should we separate the machine guns from the assault rifles? Should we just all include it in machine guns? I'll do that next video. Thank you for listening to the series.